Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lou, and I love designing crochet and knitting patterns with a modern twist and timeless feel. Ever get frustrated by ads popping up while you're following a free crochet pattern? Wouldn't it be amazing to just grab your favorite yarn, curl up in your comfy spot, and crochet without any interruptions? Are you looking for a wide variety of crochet and knitting projects you can make again and again? In this video, I'm introducing my membership program, where you get access to 79+ beautiful crochet and knitting patterns for all skill levels, with new designs added every month, all for one low annual price. That's just a few cents per pattern, a great way to expand your crafting library and save money in the long run. For a limited time, I'm even offering a special discount code to make this amazing deal even better. Stick around to the end of the video to find out how to claim your discount. Now, let's dive into what makes this membership so amazing for crocheters and knitters like you. Here's why you'll love my crochet and knitting membership. Endless inspiration. You'll have access to a massive library of 79 beautiful patterns for all skill levels, with new designs added every month. This means you'll always have fresh ideas and projects to keep you motivated. Variety of styles. Whether you love cozy blankets, trendy accessories, or everyday household items, you'll find patterns to suit your taste. Timeless designs. My focus is on creating well-crafted, high-quality patterns that will never go out of style. You can be confident that your projects will be cherished for years to come. Easy-to-follow instructions. All my patterns are written with clear instructions and helpful photos to guide you through every step, even if you're a beginner. Plus, there's a print-friendly version of the pattern in every PDF. Easy to access and download. Every PDF is nicely stored in one place and are easily accessible from any device. Remember, you can access all of this for one low annual price. Let me show you a few examples of the patterns that are waiting for you inside my members area. I tried to include as many as I could, so you might want to slow down the video to get a better glimpse. To slow down the video, go to the gear icon, choose playback speed, and then 0.5 or even less. Let's go! These are just a taste of the amazing crochet goodness that awaits you in the membership. Want to see the full library and join the creative fun? Check the special link in the description and the pinned comment to learn more and claim your special discount. For a limited time only, use the code CROCHETLOVE. Will I see you inside?